it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with Yungeen Game Over. Yungeen Game Over. So we see what go on in Jacksonville with we see the madness go on. Fulio got killed. So you don't know, so these two were rivals. Yungeen is still here doing his thing. So him just drop a song named Game Over. Guys, if it's your first time watching the channel, and it's JAMAICA'S Gamer, and I normally break down Jamaican stuff, dancehall music and them thing there. So drop a follow if you want me to break down or react to some other type of music, like more into the hip hop scene. Alright, so let me know if you guys want that, and I can definitely do that. Alright, so we're gonna jump in and hear what Yungeen have to say. But I noticed something already. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
This
Let's go!
first. This is the first shot that we see. So as you can see, the video is like 0 seconds. Nothing. Dan Julio bottle. Dan Julio liquor. This liquor was the same liquor that Fulio was drinking before he got killed. Obviously, it was his birthday. This is the same buckle. This is the same liquor. So, is this a shot already? Is this a shot at Fulio? We're gonna jump in the one and hear where the GF said. Let's go. By the way, it's my first time reacting to Yungeen. He's taking the piss already. He's sending shots. Nobody can tell me he's not sending shots. He is sending shots. So, hold on, wait. So, no, you're taking the piss. So, him just jump out of the car, take a shot of the Dan Julio, and then go back to the, basically say, game over, and then go back into the car. This war is not going to finish. This war, not because Fulio dead, the war is not finished between them. This is a message, bro. Game over. This is a message. Guys, I'm liable to miss a lot of shots that is sent. Put it in the comment section for me, please.
I smoke bad people, man. You know what I'm saying? I smoke 6. 5 in the morning, I got a call. What is this? What is this? That on the floor, that on the ride, Mr. 6. Oh, no. I'm steady screaming out for the lawn, for the 6. 4 in the car, 1 of them dead, 3 I hit. I told him.
This is not subliminal. This is direct. 5 in the morning, me attack. Yo. Miss me with this. Miss me. He's sending binds. He put the Dan Julio on his head.
Yeah, I know I smoke bad people, man. You know what I'm saying? I smoke 6. 5 in the morning, I got a call. What is this? What is this? That on the floor, that on the ride, Mr. 6. Oh, no. I'm steady screaming out for the lawn, for the 6. 4 in the car, 1 of them dead, 3 I hit.
4 in the car, 1 of them dead, 3 I hit. So y'all say you do it, brother? Are you saying it's you? Hold on, man. Let me take off my glasses. You're not troubling. You're not blood clot trouble. You're wait. What is going on? Let's be fair here. If it was the other way around and it was Yungeen who got dropped, Fulio would have been doing a song about it already. Cause that's the type of guy that Folio was. That's the type of nigga that he was, bro.
Got a call with his bitch. That on the floor, that on the ride, Mr. 6. I'm steady screaming out for the law, for the 6. 4 in the car, one of them dead, 3 got hit. I told them niggas they don't want a war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? Hey, I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. I told them step a little hard around this bitch, nigga. Yeah. I told them niggas they don't want a war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? Hey, I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch. Hey.
This bottle keep popping up. This bottle is a definite. This bottle is a direct shot, bro. Cause Folio was drinking the same exact liquor before him dead, brother. The same exact liquor.
I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch. Hey, pulling up the __scene, knocking off his top. Bullets through this windshield, can't miss with this chop.
Bumbo clock.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go again! Let's go again! Let's go again!
Ooh! Guys, drop a like on the video, please. Please subscribe and tell me which song to react to next. If it's the first time here, let me know which song to react to next from either him or Folio. Obviously, RIP Folio, but let me know which song to react to because I'm new to this. I'm new to this. And it's sad to say, but if Folio didn't drop out, I wouldn't be even pointed in this direction.
Yeah, I know I smoke bad people, man. You know what I'm saying? I smoke 6. 5 in the morning, I got a call with his bitch. That on the floor, that on the ride, Mr. 6. I'm steady screaming out for the law, for the 6. 4 in the car, one of them dead, 3 got hit. I told them niggas they don't want a war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? Hey, I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. I told them step a little hard around this bitch, nigga. Yeah. I told them niggas they don't want a war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? Hey, I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch. Hey, pulling up the __scene, knocking off his top. Bullets through this windshield, can't miss with this chop. I told them niggas don't come and play with me. I told them niggas watch what they saying to me. Hey, nigga, I kill for shit like this. Nigga, I live for shit like this. And the nigga went to that grave and took a picture. They got hit. And the nigga that made the list, I bet they got that shit split. And the nigga got caught in trap, bet he got his shit flipped. Nigga,
Yo, with the investigation ongoing right now, currently, with the murder of Folio, one of the things that the FBI are, whoever is investigating, not gonna be looking at this song and dissecting the lyrics. The man in the business, the man them just don't care, bro. These niggas don't care, fam. They don't care for shit.
the list, I bet they got that shit split. And the nigga got caught in trap, bet he got his shit flipped. Nigga, I caught coming out the trap, I bought the car and bust him. They saying rest.
What?
They got hit, and the nigga that made the list, I bet they got that shit split. And the nigga got caught in trap, bet he got his shit flipped. Nigga, I caught coming out the trap, I bought the car.
If you notice, when he's talking about the exact thing, it's on the screen. It's on the screen. It's there, like it's there. He put it so you don't miss what he's saying. Like, him want you to know say midweek. Like, I was the one who gave him binds. What?
Went to that grave and took a picture. They got hit, and the nigga that made the list, I bet they got that shit split. And the nigga got caught in trap, bet he got his shit flipped. Nigga, I caught coming out the trap, I bought the car and bust him.
What the fuck, bro?
Caught the trap, bet he got his shit flipped. Nigga, I caught coming out the trap, I bought the car.
How about the car and bust him?
And the nigga got caught in trap, bet he got his shit flipped. Nigga, I caught coming out the trap, I bought the car and bust him. They saying rest in peace to him, I'm screaming fuck him.
They're saying rest in peace to Folio, and they must say, yo, fuck him. Like I said, if it was the other way around, Folio would be doing exactly the same shit, bro.
Out the trap, I bought the car and bust him. They saying rest in peace to him, I'm screaming fuck him. Tell our ops to come outside and slide for 6. It ain't no way that y'all can't run, you boys can't hide from this. 5 in the morning, I got a call with his bitch. That on the floor, that on the ride, Mr. 6. I'm steady screaming out for the law, for the 6. 4 in the car, one of them dead, 3 got hit. I told them niggas they don't want a war with this shit. You want a war? You want a war? I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around
if you notice, his face is the only face that is showing in this music video. His face, there's only 2 persons in the video, and his face is the only face he's showing, bro. The other G-face mask up, bro. Balaclava up, dog.
We ball game, nigga. Ball game. Don't doubt what they call me, nigga. Bitch, I'm running shit like Tony. I don't get no fucks. 76 souls and knock his face off. Now pick him up. Oh no, the fuck you think you fooling? Voodoo can't get him up. Oh no, the fuck they thought was losing. I was always up. For any round nigga feeling play, you niggas could get it too. Cause I got bodies under my belt and all I know is shoot. When 20 died inside my eyes, I lost my mind. Karma do the all, I know get back, do it. Any round nigga feeling play, you niggas could get it too. Cause I got bodies under my belt and all I know is shoot. When 20 died inside my eyes, I lost my mind.
Yo, the man say my body under him belt and he know if he shoot, brother. So he might tell you, say, yo, this is not the first.
Bodies under my belt and all I know is shoot. When 20 died inside my eyes, I lost my mind. Karma do the all, I know get back, do it time. 5, 5, 6, increase the murder rate. The body on the way. Mask on, get up close. This another close case. Down Julio shots to the vibe.
Mask can't get up close. Brother, the man is describing the crime scene, bro.
Karma do the all, I know get back, do it time. 5, 5, 6, increase the murder rate. The body on the way. Mask on, get up close. This another close case. Down Julio shots to the vibe.
Mask on, get up close is a close case.
Body on the way. Mask on, get up close. This another close case. Down Julio shots to the vibe. In the morning, I got a call with his bitch.
Dan Julio, you just mentioned the drink again, bro.
This another close case. Down Julio shots to the vibe. In the morning, I got a call with his bitch. That on the floor, that on the ride, Mr. 6. I'm steady screaming out for the law, for the 6. Oh no.
So, alright, wait, let me finish.
4 in the car, and when I'm dead, 3 I hit. I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. No. I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch. I told them niggas they don't want no war with this shit. You don't want no war with this shit. You don't want no war. I told them niggas go and step hard around this bitch. Step hard around this bitch, nigga. Yeah.
Yo.
Fucking done dollar, man. Fuck. Niggas all day. These niggas don't want to go to war with me, man. These niggas don't want this shit, bro. These niggas don't want to go war with me, man. Fuck. I'm fucking glasses, bro. Let's hit the fucking road, man.
That's a lot to digest. First of all, let me just say this. Listen to me, just hear me out. With the lyrics, he put himself at the crime scene. In the verse, he put himself at the crime scene. In the chorus, it says 5 in the morning. He got a call. So he's taking away himself from the crime scene. He said he got a call, said basically, fuck, we just go on. But he might tell the same jump out of the car and do this and do that. Yo, what the fuck is happening in the music business, bro? Yo, what can I say, yo? Once I see that Dan Julio battle, I know that this is a shot because I've been watching other vloggers talking about the murder. Because obviously I'm not from America. I've never been to America. I don't know shit. But I've been watching others and they're showing clips and I'm seeing Julio with the same buckle. Dan yo. Jeez, Yungeen is savage. But like I said, in the reaction, Julio would be doing the exact same shit or even worse, bro. He would be doing the exact same shit or even worse. What can I say, bro? Like, these two, this is never gonna stop, bro. This is never gonna stop, bro. Oh my God, that bottle alone in the music video, savage. Yo, listen to me. If you guys want to see some more reaction from me, if you're new to the channel, please drop a follow. Please drop a sub. Let me know which song to react to if you're watching from America. Which song to react to? Which rap song to react to? That's about what's going on here, because I have no clue. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be safe. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And this is a rip connect.